Hey YouTube, Shay here. Thank you for coming by my channel, Shay Love Hair. I'm here to do a product review. This product was sent to me by a company called Yebo. They are a hair company, but they also do some other hair products. This one is their Mannequin Head. On their Amazon store, you'll be able to find like the Spring Twist hair and products like this Mannequin Head that I'm about to show you. So if you want to learn more about this product, stay tuned. Okay, so here's my box. Comes from Amazon. It came from Kentucky. So I'm pretty sure you can get like free 2-day shipping. Being that they sent it to me, they overnighted it once we spoke. So I mean, it's Amazon, so I think the shipping will be pretty quick, especially if you have Prime. So, opening the box. Air pack. Alright. Okay, looks like there's some other stuff in here. Now, I will say, before this company contacted me, I had actually bought some of their Yebo Spring Twist hair. And I did a review on that hair. So check that out. This in one of my other videos. But the hair came with like gifts and stuff. Like it was packaged just like perfection, and it had like the little clippies and all this little stuff in there that was just a free gift. So I really enjoyed that. But let me see about this Mannequin Head and if it's the same weight. So, oh, and this Mannequin Head is a 22-inch. I think the one that I have right now is a 22-inch. It's kind of tight in here. Okay, you know what? Let's just get all this stuff out. Oh my God, there is like another pack of stuff. So, all right. All right, so this is a Mannequin Head. It's pretty standard. Let me see. It's a cloth one. Ah! I like this one. It feels really sturdy. And it's the 22-inch. You can see that ring light is giving off way too much light, but okay. So let's see what's in this package that was in there. Okay. Oh, it already comes with the holder with the stand. That's a good deal in itself. Because I think this cost, you know what, I'll put the price down here because I don't remember how much the cost is. I don't think it was more than $25, if I'm not mistaken. And the Mannequin Head that I already had, that I had bought at my local beauty supply store, it was just the head, and it was $24. So, and you had to buy the stand separately. So the fact that the stand comes with the Mannequin Head, that's amazing for that price. So, okay. So it comes in pieces like this. My camera's being ugly. Can you see that? All right, it's like this. And all right, so it's gotta be like, put this in here, and this goes over it. Yeah. Let me show you. I don't know if you've seen that. Just in case you know, Mannequin Head version. Okay. Anyway, all right, so you got this. Stick that in there. And you take this part here and you put it over it like so, and then you twist it down. How you work it is like this, as firm as you want it. You twist it more, and it's just, you know, the more you twist it, the more firm the hold is. And then this part here unscrews. I don't think I'm screwing it. Unscrew it. And this is the part that you stick on the table or the stand or whatever you have. Okay. So like that. What else we got in here? Oh, they give you a wig cap. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, it comes with a case of sewing needles. Oh, man. Oh, and T-pins. And you have your thread. Oh, my God. Like, this is a complete starter kit. This is amazing. Okay. So, you got the thread, which is like a cloth. It's not the silk. It's not silk. This is the cotton one. Okay. And what's this? A weaving cap. So this is a different kind of, this is like the net, really. And then you have 2 clippies. Then these clippies came in with the spring twist hair too. And I still use those. So you got the clippies. Okay, and then that's it. So, okay, you guys. So I'm going to place the link down in the description box where you can purchase this kit from Yebo. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and thanks for your love and support. Peace and blessings.